funny. You're welcome to kemisjourney, innovative vlog. The
Hi
best.
guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of clicking to watch my videos, I love you already. So I'm a fashion-based channel. I oftentimes create content on lifestyles, and a few times I drop my opinion on topics that I feel are necessary for me to air my views. So if this is something you think you wanna watch, kindly click on the subscribe button, or if you just love me, you love my face, kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get notified or alerted every time I put on a video, which is every Sunday of the week, you know. So I got it coming. Today's video is centered around a red dress. I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways in which I style a red dress and turn it into something really new. And I think that's what my channel is about, the fashion content that is. I am a girl that likes to look fab on a budget, so I want to show you ways in which you can rock that same outfit in different ways, especially if you have to go to church and like I have nothing to wear. You can just, you know, recreate the look. Really, that's what I'm about. Recreate the look. I said it. I should trademark that. Recreate the look. Okay, so that's what I'm here for, guys. Let's get straight into the video. The red dress is a boohoo dress, and I ordered it in a size 14. I got it for $20. It's a simple dress, a wrap dress. It's pretty comfortable, very chic, very nice. And let's see the ways in which you can style. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways. So just let's get straight into it. So for the first look, I have this black pencil skirt. I'm going to be wearing it on mommy vibes. Okay, so this is another way for the winter season. You could style this, so just, you know, to church, that event, you just want to look, you know, rich, fashionable. This is it. You switch it up, especially because of the pop of color, and to add some twist to it, you can put on a fascinator, you know, make the piece look great. guys on 3 ways to style this red dress. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I loved creating this amazing content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Kindly turn on the notifications and then you get notified for every time I put up a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kindly share if you feel you enjoyed the content of this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.
Yo, Panther.